Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me today. So, we are making seven colors. Yes, you heard that right. So, we are making seven colors or several colors. It's up to you. But in South Africa, we call it seven colors. So, which basically means you're going to have your starch, your meat, and different types of salads. Or to simplify it, we're just going to have different colors in one plate. So, let's cook. So, in this meal, we are multitasking. So, we have our beetroot boiling, and we are boiling our eggs and some potatoes. We also have our chicken in the oven, and we are also chopping veggies on the side. So, everything is happening at once. So, this is one of my favorite salads to cook. It complements the meal anytime, any day. So, if you don't like it, I don't know what happened in your childhood, but this is the go to salad, especially on your braais or your barbecues. It's just so good. So, everything is coming together and it's looking very, very good. I don't know if it's me or what, but I would choose a slow cooked chicken over a fried or fried chicken any day, anytime, because it gives me that warmth and that comfort. So, cooking a Sunday meal in South Africa requires time and patience. And if you don't have any of those things, you won't survive. And now we are done with the cooking. So it's time to dish up and give our meal a taste. And let me tell you something, I outdid myself. This meal was very, very delicious and also healthy. So your system is going to be equipped with all the healthy ingredients. And thank you so much for joining me today. And until next time, y'all know it's all chocolate love.